if you're experiencing frame stuttering in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. If your system falls short, consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the most recent drivers can significantly improve game performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Launch The Sims 4 and navigate to the game options menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. Reducing these settings can help the game run more smoothly on low-end systems. Step 4. Disable background applications. Post any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing The Sims 4. This frees up system resources and can help reduce frame stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Repair game files. If the issue persists, open the Origin or RDA app, go to your game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame stuttering in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.